welcome back to my channel. So if you don't know what a vision board is, basically it is an accumulation of a bunch of different pictures that you can find on the internet, and they indicate a bunch of things that you aspire to have. So for an example, I personally have always wanted to go to Bora Bora. So what you would do is search it up on the internet, Bora Bora, have a picture, print it out, put it on the vision board. So the first thing you're going to need is a board to put all of your pictures on. So let's go get it. Ooh, okay. Here it is. So this is what I got. It's just a simple 14" by 14" cork bulletin board. So you could get something like bigger or smaller than this, whatever you prefer. I just thought this was a good size for me. So I got mine at Walmart, but you could probably get something like this at like Target or Hobby Lobby or someplace like that. So yes, vision board. Step 1, the board, complete. Next is you want to find some pictures. Alright, so here are some pictures that I have printed out. So I found majority of these pictures on Pinterest. Obviously they have a pretty good selection there. Printed these pictures out on the printer at work. For some reason the printer was like a little messed up with the color. Kind of made this pink hue tint to all of the pictures, but honestly I think it's really cute and kind of makes it like a theme. So I recommend if you want to make your vision board like kind of cute and trendy and like aesthetically pleasing, find pictures that match or put a filter on each picture just so they all kind of blend together. So I haven't cut out all of these pictures yet, so I'm going to do that real quick. So first I'm going to open my board because I wanted to save it for you guys to watch me open because I love watching stuff like that. After you get it open, the first thing that I decided to do was kind of arrange my photos. Also, I couldn't really see all of them, so I decided to lay them all out. And after a very tough deliberation with myself, I decided that this is the way I wanted my photos to look. I really like that layout. I love the colors. I tried to make it to where the blues were in certain sections and then like the blacks were still evenly placed out. Very strategic. I spent a lot of time on this process because it's very important that you like the way the thing looks, because that's what you're going to be looking at. Next, as you can see, I am just gluing everything down. I do recommend that you take a picture of the placement of everything just so you have something to look at when you're trying to re-glue, because you are going to have to like take pictures up and glue them down and just, you know, making sure that everything is in its place, and having a picture reference is very nice. So this is the fun part. This is the relaxing part. This is where you are going to play some really beautiful, soothing music. You're gonna light a candle. You're gonna have some time for yourself. Make sure that when you're doing this, you're not in a place in your house that's super crazy and active and loud. Just make sure you are by yourself or with somebody who isn't being loud, and just, you know, be at peace and look at your photos. Read your photos, remind yourself that this is all possible. Everything you are putting on this vision board is possible. It's going to be your future. It's going to be everything that you work towards. Any kind of negative thoughts that start to come to your brain while doing this, make sure you make a conscious effort to push them aside, because this is your time to manifest. So here's how mine turned out.
Come true.
Alrighty guys, here is the vision board all complete. I really love how everything turned out. It's super freaking cute. So I am going to be doing a video on my Instagram telling you guys what each one of these means, so definitely go follow me on Instagram. I will have my username right here. But yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you got some inspiration or even just like some ideas on how to make this thing cute. I'm gonna hang it up like immediately. Can I just say that it was so like fun and relaxing just to have like my little candle and the pretty music that I played in the background and just kind of like reading these over again and just placing them how I wanted and making them look all pretty and cute. It was really fun and well needed. So yeah. Hopefully all of these things will manifest, putting the vibes out there. We got this. Hopefully your vision board happens too. You got this. I believe in you. You should believe in yourself. And if you don't, put that quote on your vision board because you need to. Alright guys, well thank you so much for watching and I will see you next Thursday with a brand new video. Bye!